Hi, Savio.
Yes, good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning
How
to
are
you.
you?
And welcome.
Good, good. Thank you for giving the appointment. पहिले स्वातीवर एकदम खुशाल हूँ. अब चर्चा over the चाय.
Yes.
चाय पे चर्चा. Cheers. First of all, पहिले स्वातीवर Savio Bab, I want to congratulate you in terms of. Let me start with a good note. Congratulate you in terms of when Congress was almost defunct in Veli constituency with respect to Zila Panchayat elections. That is the time you came as a savior. And I remember सगळ्यांनीच हात धुयलेले कांय जावचें ना म्हणून जिल्लाक एंड सडनली एक ट्रम्प कार्ड कशें तूं वयर सरलो आनी यू जस्ट ब्रॉट एन एक ऑलमोस्ट अ नॉन एंटिटी म्हणल्यार जाता जुलियो बाब म्हणटा ताका तुवें इलेक्शनाक बसयलो आनी तुवें ताका निवडून हाडलो. वॉट मेड यू टू डू दीस?
See, in 2020 it was. Regarding, I was the Sarpanch of the village Panchayat of Veli. And that time there was, in 2019, there was defection in Veli. आमचो जे ex MLA, Philip Neri, he went to BJP. तेन्ना, so in 2020, आणि थंय जायते एक गार्बेज म्हणटा ती आशिल्ली हिंगा आमच्या काँग्रेसाक आनी आज ती गेल्या आज ना. सो वी हॅव अ फ्री हँड टू बिल्ड अप द काँग्रेस इन आय मीन इन साऊथ गोवा इन ऑल द 20 ब्लॉक्स. पयले सुवातेर कितें आशिल्लें तें वेन इट केम टू झेडपी देर वॉज तुवें सांगलेलें कितें देर इज नो कॅन्डिडेट इन वेली. So I approached one of my good friend. Apparently, he took me to some leaders, and I assured them, if you give me the ticket, because it was reserved for OBC. And म्हणूंक लागले OBC Congress doesn't have a candidate. We will support the independent who was backed by the defector. And then the Congress district president also was in favor of that candidate. Who wanted to support independent candidate. So then I approached the leader. I said, if you give me a candidate, I will join the Congress party then in 2020. I will make sure I will get it. And as you said, because it was like there was rumors going on that we would lose the deposit. In fact, the candidate, independent candidate, was supported by the ex-MLA, who was the minister. And आमचे district president आशिल्लो तोय support करतालो. And ex-MLA was also there. So, and it was alone. It was People's Power who got Julio as a common man. He didn't have any experience in politics. And Jadna Amka Mulle, and lot of OBC, there are a lot of leaders, but they were not ready to accept that challenge. They were scared of that. Then the minister, the कोण रेडी जावन आमचो जुलियो बाबाक हांवें आपयलो आनी he was ready. And then the journey went on.
Good. Now, I'm very proud being from Veli constituency and moreover from South Goa, that who has been declared as the South Goa district president. And yes, Rahul Ji, Mulla Rahul Gandhi Ji, that all the powers now has to percolate right from the district president. And it is he is going to put the responsibility on the district president to see that the Congress grows. So, as a district president, what is
सेना है, ये लड़ने के लिए तैयार है, ये बनने के लिए तैयार है. बीच में दो तीन लोग उल्टे सीधे बयान देते रहते हैं. अब कोई ऐसे लोग हैं जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन में दे देते हैं, कोई ऐसे लोग हैं जो थोड़ा बीजेपी का भी काम कर लेते हैं, और हमें कहीं ना कहीं से तो शुरुआत करनी होगी. तो वर्किंग कमेटी ने निर्णय लिया है कि शुरुआत डिस्ट्रिक्ट और डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट के पोस्ट से होगी.
your plan?
See,
In short, like
in 2022, when the defection happened, when our 8 MLAs went to BJP, that time our morale was very low. आणि जेन्ना even the president morale, everyone was down in the office. This is second defection. How do we go to
How
the
do we
people?
handle it?
And well, that was expected because even when people, even I was present when we were taking oath in all the religions, we have done it. And then suddenly these guys, we tried to stop them, but we couldn't. आणि जेन्ना हे आठ गेले आणि सगळे and nobody wanted to work, come to the office. And one fine day, how dynamic, आता तो साऊथ गोवाचो MP, Captain Viriato, he approached me and said, let's go and meet Amit. And we met, just collected a few of our common friends. We met him, we tried to, आम्ही जायते समजायले, and then we said, see, the garbage is gone now. I mean, let's start and build it. We won't leave. Now, आम्ही चालू करूया. So that time it gave us courage and we started building. 2022 when I became the district, ek oras gele. For last 2 years, we are building the blocks in every, for me, the priority is building the Congress block in all the 20 and which is going on with now we have a South Goa MP. We are moving even in North Goa. Our MP is moving in North Goa. So we are building the block and we are making sure that Congress goes stronger.
ओके, आता हे सगळ्यान जाता आसतना जायत्यो घडामोडी जातात, बट आनी एक स्टेटमेंट आयकला हांवें थोडे दीस पयलो गुजरातान जालो, मध्य प्रदेशान जालो, आणि राहुल गांधी सेज that there are sleeper cells in states like Gujarat or Madhya Pradesh, and that there are people whose body is in the Congress, but their soul is in the BJP. They are working silently on a barter system under the machine. So do you find ही गार्बेज मोड तूं नाजाल्यार स्लीपर सेल मोड आता आमचे तिनूच MLAs उरल्या आनी थोडे दोन तुमचे लिडर आहा काँग्रेसांतले. तुका कितें दिसता हे स्लीपर सेल गोंयांतूय आसाय ओ नाही?
That people of the state will not vote for his party till it fulfills its responsibility. So that's the statement that has been made by Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi there saying that there are sleeper cell in the Congress party who are working for the BJP. Listen into that big statement that Rahul Gandhi made.
जवाब है कि जो लीडरशिप है, जो कार्यकर्ता हैं, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स हैं, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट्स हैं, उसमें दो तरीके के लोग हैं. डिवीजन है. अभी यहां पे बैठे हुए सब लोग मगर दो टाइप के हैं. एक है जो जनता के साथ खड़ा है, जो जनता के लिए लड़ता है, जो जनता की इज्जत करता है और जिसके दिल में कांग्रेस पार्टी की विचारधारा है. और दूसरा है जो जनता से कटा हुआ है, दूर बैठता है, जनता की इज्जत नहीं करता है और उसमें से आधे बीजेपी से मिले.
Yes or no?
In April, I attended DCC meeting, which is District Congress Committee meetings in Delhi, along with the North Goa president. And 16 states are there, around 400 district presidents were there. And I was actually called by Rahul Gandhi because every state, one person he was randomly calling on the stage. So what was the grievance and how we could build a party. And my name was called, and the first question.
I remember. Let me interject.
Yes.
And I am proud of that. That you have closed and sealed that issue of taking defectors.
Exactly. So defectors that totally. I was the first person, and I asked in front of 400 people. See, आमचे 2019 ang zale, 22 ang zale, and when we go to people ask us the same question. Are you going to take the defectors back? And point blank, Rahul Gandhi answered to this. He said, defection is a history and they will be not allowed back. Even though there are a lot of defectors telling the people that they are going to get caught, it won't happen. It won't be possible. As I tell Lokang, they are misguiding people over there. I don't think it, and regarding the sleeper cells you are talking about,
Very good.
I think 90% have gone, and even there might be some. We will make sure if there are any sleeper cells, we will verify if they want to be candidates. We will make sure, along with our party president, LOP, South Goa MP, we will make sure there are no baggages taken into the party and will be given the ticket for the next 2027 election.
Okay, that's a point blank answer also. But at the same time, Savya Bab, म्हाका एक सांग आता हे तुम्ही मेंबरशिप पळय कोत्ता ड्रायव्ह जावं चिराग बाबाक तुम्ही घेतला तो डोंट फील बॅड बट आय वॉन्ट टू नो यू आर कॉन्स्पिशियस इन युअर एब्सन्स हे हो प्रश्न म्हाका इवन कॅप्टन विर्यातू बाबान स्पश्ट करूंक ना सो हांवें म्हणल्यार नाव लेट मी नो इट फ्रॉम द हॉर्सेस माउथ
Yes, I will.
तुका थिंगा एब्सन्स पळोवन अशें दिसता भितरल्यान डिजिडिटी आहा नंबर वन ऑर त्यात सगळे तुमकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेयनात काय म्हूण ओ स्लीपर सेल आर दे वर्किंग स्टील इन द काँग्रेस
No, it is not that. There was miscommunication between the party. It is not Chirag Naik. I never said I will deny entry for Chirag Naik. That was not the question. The question was when I was told there was miscommunication, which I called the AICC in charge, Dr. Anjali Nibal, and I expressed this thing, what I had to say, because when we are building the blocks in we have to make sure, and that the assurance was given that we will consult the block first. When a block is not consulted, well, we can't take anyone. We have to consult the block and the district president that there were miscommunication or it was told at the latest. And I have made sure with the AICC in charges. Even I spoke to the president also that next time just make sure there are no communication failures. It should be all the block presidents should be involved or taken into confidence. So that was resolved and it won't happen again. It is not the question of a few days back I met Chirag Naik also. And I spoke to him we had a healthy discussion how to build, and he wanted to join in to build the blocks in Marga. I spoke to Rahul Gandhi as well.
But joining is the one thing, Savya Bab. But what I have seen Chirag Bab, it was almost he has dived into the election mode in terms of saying that he is willing to contest also.
Yes.
Bitor Satta Dinga, he talks about contesting. What about building the block and building the Congress?
We have told them that anyone who is joining the party, they have to work for next 1.5 years. They have to prove it. You don't expect फाल्या येतलो आणि कांय करून असो लास्टाक ticket मागतलो. It won't happen in Congress anymore. This is what we are building. I don't mind. Even I told my own president, see, it is ultimately it is Congress party what we are building for. Tomorrow, if the party decides even to give somebody, I will work for Congress. It is not that I am doing it for my selfish motive, but even if it's anything to do for the party, and I will 100%, because I have to pay back. In 2022 I was given a ticket where I was nowhere in the race, I fought for it and the party had faith on me and I missed it. So but
Hardly
still,
100 votes.
yes, but still I will work. I have told the party president I will do anything for the Congress party. Even though you have seen my record in the Panchayat, I've been a Sarpanch from 2017 to 22. And today, with my collars up, I can roam freely in Valley, where the corruption was stopped during my tenure. Not a single rupee I've taken from anyone. You can find out. I even challenge now if I've taken a single rupee from anyone in Valley Panchayat or even any contractor. It is impossible. So that was the reason.
On that term, I will like to add a feather in your cap. I have been given to understand by the poorest of the poor in Valley Panchayat areas that local people, तेमी सदांच म्हाका मेवलेले पावटी म्हणला सावयो कडच्यान सावयेचे जे दुसरे पंच आसा ते केन्नाच एक 5 रुपया पासून घेवंक ना म्हणून कसलें काम करूंक तें जावं इरेग्युलर जावं इलिगल जावं कितेंय त्या लोकांचे प्रायोरिटी तेंची नीड आसली नॉट द ग्रीड That part is very clear.
Yeah, because you see, when I became the Sarpanch, I didn't have a panel. I was just an independent. I was not even in any party before that. I contested as an independent, and I got 5 members together who supported me, and I became a Sarpanch. And after that, at the end, out of 9, we were all together, because the thing is, even the other 8 members, they were very honest. That's how we could run this panchayat for 5 years, because there was no disturbances, like, no confidence, nothing, because the members which we had, the other 8, were very honest, and we have worked for the people of.
Savyabab, I hope you don't mind. Certain things to be cleared, Mundati Vashin. आता all your lifelong or lifetime in politics wise, एक incident घडलो तुझ्याशी, where many of the candidates of the Congress before the election, they were found to be being bribed in some restaurant or hotel or in some place. How do you tell, Baba, what went there actually? If you are comfortable, just
Yes,
put it in
100%,
short.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Well, in 2022, when I lost the election, the results were declared in March. Am I right? February election झाले, March declared झाले. So, if the party thought, because we had complained regarding the sting, what they had done,
Sting operation.
yes, I will come to it. आमचे पार्टीक दिसलेले, see, if that was genuine case, they would have not made me a district president in March 2022. It was on 31st of March. I was, because everyone knew what was the thing regarding it. AJ Jadna Kela, all this fake. There was one director of Aam Aadmi Party from Kolwa, ek Sharma Munda,
Oh.
who is running an illegal spa. You must have seen it.
Yeah.
जेन्ना आमचो देवा कडेन उलयता तो मनीस, जे एक इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें ताणें हिंगा कोलवा. I don't know what illegalities, I don't know about, and even the Benawali MLA was there. So Ajay Sid Zata, who was involved in this, if it's genuine, they should release the video, no? If it's genuine, don't edit and do something and put on BJP. It was the AAP party who did it. And this will come up, some ex-candidate who have come out of Aam Aadmi Party. I have already spoken. What they have done is wrong to you. And in coming days, they will expose the Aam Aadmi Party.
Good. And it's good that you have clarified this thing, because one day or other it otherwise haunts.
100%.
Now,
see, if I wanted money, if I had done for money, I would have gone by now along with this defector.
Yeah.
Have I done that? Even my track record in the Punjab says so. I have not earned the money or taken single money.
that is-
Whatever I have earned, my hard-earned money, I have given to the poor people, and I have done a lot of charity work.
Last and final question. एक सदन मना खटकता हे काँग्रेसान मेंबरशिप करपाची ड्रायव्ह पळय आहा ओ मेंबर करपाचें हे इनिशिएट कोण करता एंड हू डिसाइड्स ऑल दिस?
See, membership drive, anyone can become a member online also. It is not there. But some prominent, what do you call them,
Prominent personalities.
yeah, somebody like, prominent candidates who wants to, sometimes it's always a tradition in Goa. They come in large numbers, have a big, but in coming days, we are having a lot of joining. Come after the monsoon, places like Karngon, and a lot of South Goa. There are like a lot of ST leaders also joining soon. It is not that they are coming for the ticket itself, but we have already spoke to them. We have told them, Baba, tumhi ye aat, kaam karat. You see how it is, how you build a block, and koshe. Then we will decide. We will sit and then we'll see how.
But I heard that, like for example, Pratima Gutino was promised to be given a good post in the Congress party by one of the Congress leaders of you.
That's
So
what
now-
I see. Pratima is a good friend of mine.
Oh, but
Okay.
after that minute, then ताका इतले प्रॉमिस करून ताका बाबड्याक आम आदमींतलो भायर काडलो, or she was influenced to come out, and on the pretext of being promised that she'll be given a better position and things, and she's kept in that right till today.
Tell me one thing: is Savio Kutino not a husband?
Yeah, so
Absolutely, Savio Kutino koi asa. In Congress, no. It is not that we have not denied her, but we will take her at the right time. She's a
Okay.
good friend of mine. We want her. We want somebody
And
who's
she's
worth
very
it.
vocal.
100%.
Now, how much percentage
Even-
I agree or disagree
See,
with her is
what
immaterial.
happens, like you say, no, there's Congress and Sogle to anda munta de sleeper cell coin tore asta no the
Right.
sleeper cells. It is not that. He's a friend of mine and
Good.
I always welcome and I'm in favor. Even I spoke to the president, even our South Goa MP is in favor. It is not that, but we will bring her at the right time.
त्या मागे दिसतात तुका भिता
No, भिवपाचे काय ना हिंगा
भिवपाची
कित्याक?
गरज ना
Vipashi Garas, because see what happens as a district president, there are some powers coming as well for the district president. Apparently, when we went for this convention in Delhi for the district president. So hopefully we have not got a notification. As soon as if I get a chance, I will make sure she's taken.
On a good
immediately.
note, thank you very much.
Yes.
And this message, especially for Pratima Gutino, he will take you at the right time.
Okay, boss. Thank
Thank
you
you,
very
sir.
much. Thank you, sir.
Good. Thanks, Savio. Thank you very much.